Okay, so everyone tells young people to work hard in Zimbabwe, but they don't understand like how it actually is to be trying to be something and trying to be successful. So anyways, I'm with a guest and I'll be interviewing different people, asking them, like especially young people, asking them about what's the hardest thing about being young in Zimbabwe. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Be shy. Right? This is just a video. Right? Okay, cool. So I might just get straight to the question. What's the hardest thing about being young in Zimbabwe in 2026?
Okay. Hi guys. Like, okunzima la eZimbabwe afezi la.
Olukhulumela phansi. So if Mike someze bese eduzana. Asiqalise.
Like you don't mind the language, and?
Yeah. It's the same.
Okay, the hardest thing in Zimbabwe, like as a young person, like finding my job opportunities are very limited.
Okay. Yeah. Even though you ufundile.
Yeah.
Even though.
Yeah. We also find my connections. So if you get a connection,
okay, cool. Okay, cool. So I would like anything else that you want to mention about being young. So far that's the hardest thing.
Yeah.
About finding job opportunities.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Me too. I second that. Not saying which is a bad thing. Being young in Zimbabwe. I'm not saying that and I'm not promoting it. I'm just outlining the hardships young people go through in order to like be fine in life and do whatever that they want. So anyways, let me find another person and then thank you so much. Thank you, by the way. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, cool. So what's the hardest thing about being young in Zimbabwe?
The hardest thing being young in Zimbabwe is no money, no future. People are getting fear about criminals. Criminals are overloading in Zimbabwe, so people are scared.
So that's the hardest thing about being young.
Yes.
So money. So how the money affects that?
Money. It has no growth of population.
Oh, okay. I hear you.
No growth of
like where is she? Thank you, Martha, for yeah. That's answer. Sorry. Thank you, Martha, for your lovely opinions. Okay, so we have another young man. So what's the hardest thing about being young in Zimbabwe?
Sometimes maybe you have connections. Sometimes there's politics as well as the
So when's the women's because lami was abantu abaningi ababezifike ebhora but abazabanda because ukuthi ama-opportunities lalapha lutshwana especially lokuqhubekela phambili.
Akunzima vele ukuphumelela ungena ama-connections.
Thank you. So yini enzima ngokuba li-youth eZimbabwe?
Yabona into enzima ngokuba li-youth eZimbabwe yikupika ijele uphansi ongangokuthi such as ukuthi siyaswela imisebenzi sithwale nzima ngabanye abama-drugs abanjani abasitshontselayo lani yabona into ezinjalo yikho.
So ngiyabona ukuthi ukuswela imisebenzi kogcina kwenza ukuthi abantu begcina beyenza ubugebengu.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So thank you for your answer. Thank you for isikhathi sakho. So lizwele lani babukeli ekhaya unemployment nokubhika ijele it's the same vele ngingawasasebenzi ukuthi ngizobenza isitshotshe ukuthi sizesithole lokho esikufunayo. So it's the best thing abanye abantu ngakho. Okay, so I have another guest. So yini enzima ngokuba i-youth eZimbabwe?
Early pregnancies.
Like affect njani especially amankazana?
Baphangisa ukuzithwala begcina isikolo.
Okay, so you heard it guys ukuthi early pregnancies I think they are the main cause of youth unemployment and ama-dreams or people chasing that because umuntu ugcine engasayenzanga into afuna ukuyenza ngempilo yakhe. So anyways guys, I heard like so many different opinions about people. I had guys, I had boys. So make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in another video.